Hello everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Hope you're doing great today. I just wanted to share with you a few projects that I worked on this week and say hi and kind of follow up on that dyeing that I was doing on that the seam binding and such. So let's do that first. So I did some seam binding. I found some seam binding on Amazon. I will link it below. And I think I have the gist of it. I think I have the formula. And what I found that works the best with it is just water. I'm dropping stuff. I'm going to drop stuff. And the Distress Oxide sprays and the Distress Oxide ink pads. I think those are the ones that work the best for me so far. If you know of something that works good, let me know. But these are the colors that I put together. So I did a really pretty baby blue, and then I did a pastel pink and a very light pastel yellow. Then I wanted to do kind of like a sunshine yellow, so I did that. And I like how some of the pieces are darker than others on it. I think that looks pretty. And this time I didn't crunch it up so much, so it's not like super crinkled. Then I did like a mint color. And then finally I did this. This one's my favorite one. It's kind of like a lilac color, and you can see how it like has darker spots and lighter spots and kind of like pinkish spots. So that was fun to make that. The next thing that I worked on was I had a wholesale order. So I don't know if I've ever said this on my channel, but the majority of any kind of like jewelry or anything I make is wholesale, and I sell it to boutiques and different businesses. There's a couple hair salons, nail salons, and then boutiques that I sell to. And my friend is in the wholesale business. She's a wholesale distributor, so she knows like a lot of different companies that do wholesale. And a lot of times it's for like jewelry, supplies, beads. There's fashion, there's fashion jewelry, just all sorts of stuff. Like she's like my dream job. But anyway, she has a lot of friends in the business, and one of her friends, a lot of businesses are like reopening again, and they're wanting their employees to wear masks, obviously and understandably. So one of the businesses was looking for like a gift to give their employees as kind of like a welcome back, and also wear your mask. So my friend asked me if I would be interested in fulfilling an order for some mask lanyards. So I was like, sure. So I just sent some pictures, because I have these in my Etsy store, by the way. I just sent some pictures of what I had, and she ordered a ton of them. So some of them are unisex, some of them are probably more geared towards females, but I just want to show you what they look like. So I did this curb chain. This one's a little bit heavier, so this is kind of like masculine, I would say. And if people don't want to wear it with their mask, they could wear it with sunglasses. So I included a little thingy-majiggy so that they can, if they want to do it with their mask, they can, or they can just do it with their sunglasses. But basically, I also included this so it could be like a lanyard for a name badge. But basically what they would do is they would just put it on, and then they could just clip these onto their mask, the strings of their mask. And then when they don't, like when they take their mask off, it can just hang from their neck, instead of them having to like put their mask down, lose it, drop it, whatever. And then if they wanted to use it to wear their name badge, they could do this, and all they would do is they would connect these to this, or they could do it with their sunglasses, like, or regular glasses, reading glasses. So I made that one. Then I did another one in gold. And then I did a rope chain. So just like same concept, and silver rope chain. And then same concept here, but with gold rope chain. This one's like kind of tangled up. I gotta fix that. And then there's this one. This one's my favorite one. This is the one I would wear. So same concept, but it has black jewels on it. And then I also did it in clear. So you can see the clear jewels. Then I did a really dainty one. I know some people are just, things bother them around their neck or what have you, or some people are just kind of minimalist. So, oops, I got that one tangled. I'll have to fix that later. But I just did like a really dainty little chain. So that was that right there. So that's what all these are for. So those are going to go out tomorrow. I got to drop those off. And then the other thing that I wanted to share was that I'm going to enter Judy's challenge. So my scrapbook loft, which I will link her channel below, is having a challenge for the month of April. And it is that you have to make a bottle cap tassel. Your tassel can't be more than 5 inches. So you have to have a bottle cap on it and you have to have a tassel. So I made some, which I'm going to send out, and I wanted to share it with you. So I love swans. So I made mine with a swan, and I used this pretty bow charm, and then I wrapped it with some gold thread. And then you can see, like, I used all different kinds of ribbons and yarns. Like, I got that from Michael's. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Got this from Walmart. I got this from, yeah, I got all these from Walmart, except for a couple of them. But yeah, so I put that charm right there. And so that is that. I'm going to send that to her. And she has challenges every month. Her and Donna ×3, I think it is. They have challenges every month. This month, it's Judy's month. So everybody mails in 3 items. And you mail in, I think, like $3 or something like that. And then Judy takes 3 different tassels and she puts them together and then sends it off to different people. So these will all be mixed and matched, and somebody will get one of mine and one of someone else's and one of someone else's. So they'll get 3 different tassels. So I think that's so fun. So I will receive 3 different tassels from 3 different people. And it's so fun because you get to know different people, and when you watch her channel, like, you get to learn about people's other YouTube channels and Instagrams, which, by the way, I have an Instagram in case you guys didn't know. I keep the link down below in the description box. But another thing I wanted to share with you that I'm working on for my giveaway, these are a prototype. I've shared it in another video, but I don't think the video has aired yet, is I'm working on these for my giveaway. I'm going to be making homemade beads out of polymer clay. And so I've just done the prototype. They're not perfectly round because they're just a prototype. I was just trying to get the color mix right. But yeah, those are the things I've been working on. These took up the most of my time this week. My hands hurt from doing all of that and then doing these and then trying to work and everything. But it's been a pretty good week. I hope you guys have had a good week. I hope you're all healthy and, you know, starting to look forward to life getting a little bit more normal every single day as more and more people get vaccinated and we get this darn virus under control. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Just wanted to share with you. I hope you have a great week. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.